So every installer has their own way on wrapping these type of bumpers. What we're gonna do is I try to look at videos and how they did it, and didn't really show in the videos people vinyl wrapping these type of bumpers. Maybe there's like 2 online, so I'm just gonna post this one. So what I did here, and then putting an inlay right here, so when I stretch it, I'm able to cut it in half and lay this part down, and I can lay this part down over here as well. SRT completed. This is the second location where I'm taking videos and pictures and whatnot. It's a nice area here, so this we usually take. This is a spot right here, but yeah, it only took about 3 to 4 days to complete. We ended up putting the steering wheel on as well, but the LEDs don't work. It didn't come with the little OBD sensor, whatever it's called. But we already ordered a new one, so we're gonna swap this one out again, put the new one on, and then return that one. But other than that, this turned out amazing. I'm gonna put up a picture how it used to look, and this is how it looks now. It does have like a rainbow shift to it, and it's settle. That's what I like about it. It's not a super bright ass pink like the other ones, but this one is pretty settled, so it ended up looking nice. She's gonna be very happy how this turned out. We also did the stripes as well. Super clean all the way around to the back. Also did the mirrors. We were gonna do them black, but we ended up doing the same color. It just looks nicer like that. But yeah, man, this is how it turned out.